Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating demand, talk to 5 users or run a 50-response survey, make sure the problem is real. Next, narrow to a single core feature, ship an MVP with 0. 5 feature scope to move fast. Choose the tech, Manifest v3, JavaScript or TypeScript, and a minimal UI. Once done, scaffold the extension, wire permissions carefully, and keep background work lightweight. These first steps get you to a testable product quickly and with lower risk. You now implement monetization. Decide free plus paid, subscription, or a one-time $9.49 price. Make the value difference obvious. Then prepare the Chrome Web Store listing. Crisp screenshots, clear copy, and gather 5-10 initial reviews before broad marketing. Integrate analytics and a payment processor so you can track conversions and revenue. Once integrated, run a small ad or content campaign. Analyze early user behavior and iterate on pricing and onboarding based on real metrics. You focus on scaling and support. Gate features for paid tiers, run a /B tests, and add partner integrations to grow reach. Make support frictionless, docs, short videos, and in-app feedback with 24/72-hour response targets. For quality, log errors, monitor crashes, and set up quick rollback capability. If users report breakage, reproduce locally, examine logs, and release a targeted patch. If rollout fails, roll back and notify users with a clear timeline. This keeps revenue steady and trust intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.